Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to another Featured Channel of the Week episode. The channel that I'm going to feature this week is very special to me. It is a really great member of the community, and I'm going to have some more information in the reveal of this channel coming up in just a second. Please stay tuned. Alright, so let's get right into it. So who's going to be the channel that we're going to feature today? This channel is a really cool channel. It has a little bit over 300 subscribers and it is growing every day. The person that runs this channel always puts the community first, and he really wants to see it grow and be a successful community. Part of his passions are making challenge locks and sending them out to people, and also picking some along the way. Another thing that he is really great at is making custom lock picks, and I am lucky enough to own one. Here is one of the custom picks that he made me, and it is just absolutely a fantastic pick, and I really enjoy it. If you have not been able to guess already by either reading the title of the video or seeing the pick that I have just shared with you, the channel that we're going to feature today with a little wave of the pick is going to be Daz Evers. Daz Evers is a really fantastic guy, and what I've put together is a highlight reel and a message from him coming up in just a second.
Firstly, a massive thank you to the Helpful Lockpicker for featuring my channel on your absolutely superb channel, my friend. I do so appreciate it. Thank you so much. And for all my new subscribers, thanks so much for subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because I make 2 to 3 videos per week of everything lock related, from challenge locks to stock locks to custom made picks. I tried to make one custom made pick per week. This one's one I made this week. It's made out of a piece of snake wood with 4mm brass pins, and this one's based on a Sparrow's Tron profile, which is kind of quite nice there. Beautiful picks to use. And then last week I made this out of a piece of antique snake wood. You can tell by the little divots, the little marks, that this piece of wood had a life before, and so I've managed to kind of rejuvenate it and make it into a custom pick with like a little Euro hook on it as well. Very passionate about making the picks. You know, they're fantastic fun to make. And then of course we've got the challenge locks. You know, so I tried to pick a couple of challenge locks a week. I build a couple of challenge locks a week, so I'm always sending out parcels to all our community for the challenge locks, so we can all get involved and get tormented by some of the creations that we all make. Of course, stock locks. You know, we've got Stock Lock Sunday now, which is just a phenomenal invention of our good buddy Mr. Albert LaBelle, another fantastic YouTube channel which was featured on the Helpful Lockpicker's fantastic channel. You know, and so on a Sunday we tend to get a stock lock. you know, whether it be a padlock or whether it be a Euro lock or whether it just be a mortise cylinder or something. And then we pick it and show everybody the different sorts of locks that are available and out there, you know, and they're great fun. Stock Lock Sunday is just really good fun. You know, it's some of the locks that have been featured over the course of the last sort of 5 or 6 weeks have just been incredible, you know, and the skill of this community is just second to none. You know, it's really you know, fantastic fun. You know, these locks, you know, they're like 3D puzzles really. And you know, I make challenge locks, as I said, you know, I try to make 1 or 2 a week and get them sent out to the community for them to enjoy and get frustrated and you know, frustrated by, you know, because yeah, they're great fun. And some of the challenge locks are as tough, and the other ones, they're so tricky, and you've got to be really kind of careful with the pin placement and bits and pieces. So it's just great fun. But generally, you know, this community is just the most amazing community that I've ever been a part of. And so anybody who's thinking about getting into lock sport, just you know, just subscribe to these channels. They're all fantastic. You know, I'm really passionate about this whole lock sport community because it's just so much fun. The community works so well together, and you know, we appreciate all the support. And you know, we're always looking for new people to get involved in lock sport because it is just so much fun. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and you'll see 2 to 3 videos a week, and just be part of this absolutely fantastic community. Thanks ever so much, guys, and I look forward to having a chat with you in the near future. Take care now. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye.
Thank you so much for checking out my highlight reel on Daz Evers. He's a really great guy, runs a fantastic channel, and he's worth checking out. If you'd like to get notified of all his upcoming videos, what you can do is consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the notification bell. Daz Evers is a really great guy, and at the time of making this video, his channel is a little bit over 300 subscribers. He's making new content every week, and he's worth checking out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can get to his channel directly. And if you guys have any other channels that you'd like to suggest that I do a featured channel of the week on, please send me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com, and I'd love to do a video on them. This video series is a very important series to me. What I really find important is that it helps the smaller channels get some of the exposure that they need, and it will help them pop up higher in the search algorithm. Every subscription makes a big difference, and I really appreciate everyone that subscribes to my channel and all the other Locksport channels out there. This is a really great series, and I really hope it will help spread the word of Locksport. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And please consider subscribing to Daz Evers. He's a fantastic guy, and just look at this pic. This thing is fantastic.